Once again, amazing traders of the world, you guys are welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Chart King, right? What we do actually is we try to simplify the difficult movement of the chart so that a newbie like you that is watching me for the first time can go ahead and take advantage of this movement on the market and make a lot of money for yourself. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about trading like a swinger. Okay, you should be able to understand the market, okay, even though you are not a swing trader, but it is important that you understand the perspective of swing trading so that even as a day trader or a scalper, you can actually become more profitable. Because the moment you understand how a swing trader trades, it becomes easier to day trade or scalp trade. Because if you are trading against the direction of the market, right, you actually encounter a lot of resistance, which eventually lead to a lot of stop losses being hit. Okay, but the moment you start to understand how a swing trader takes trade, and you'll be able to trade in the direction of the market, you will discover that you become a lot more profitable, right? So guys, in today's video, we're going to be breaking down BTCUSD, right? So guys, we're going to be looking at the chart right now. As you can see on your screen, what you are looking at right now is BTCUSD. I'm actually making this analysis on the 30th day of December 2024, right? So guys, if you look at this chart right now, you will discover that on the monthly time frame, we are currently I'm able to spot 3K level right now. Okay, we have the upper level, the lower level, and we have some mid-range level right here. Okay, right now, if you take a look at this chart, you discover that it is on a bullish run, right? It is on a bullish run, but there is a problem right here. Okay, the BTC have encountered a roadblock. Right now, let's bring out our Fibonacci tool to gauge this market and see what the hell is going on. Right, we have our impulsive move. Okay, the market, there was an impulsive move to this level. Okay, and then there's a pullback to the 78.6 level before the continuation of the market. Now this is the exhaustion point, which is a -7%. okay, now this is actually the exhaustion point of the market, and after this month end, after this, the month that entered the exhaustion point, the next month is now trying to look like a shooting star, right? If you see a shooting star in the market, especially on the monthly time level like this, you should be very, very careful, especially in a new region, because right now the market is now trading in a place that's never traded before. This is where it starts forming new key levels, new support level, new resistance level. All those things will now start playing out, and it's important as a trader that intend to be a swing trader, you pay attention to stuff like this. If you come to the monthly time frame, you will see that something is happening right here. Okay, and it's looking like the market is about to drop. Now, if today it's the month still have at least 1 day to run, it has up to 24 hours to run. Okay, if by the end of 24 hours this market actually closes like this, then what it means therefore is that the market is definitely, the next month that is coming after this month is going to be a sell market. So guys, you want to get yourself ready. So guys, on a monthly time frame, we can clearly see that this market is about to sell, and we should be expecting it to come back to this key level, right? It should come back to this key level by the time it eventually starts selling. All right, but right now let's go to the weekly to see what the weekly has to say, because definitely as a swing trader, you need to be able to do analysis month by time frame, so that you understand perfectly all the time frame. I need to hear a lot of traders say, I'm a day trader, I love 4 hour time frame, I'm a day trader, I trade 1 hour time frame. If you are doing that, you're probably not going to be successful for a very long time, right? As a trader, you should be able to like all the time frame, because all of them are useful. They have information that will help you make the right decision. Okay, now if you take a look at the weekly time frame, we can see very clearly that we are beginning to see a weekly level key level right there. Okay, there's a weekly key level right here that responsible for pushing up this market, and you can see there are 2 supporting trend lines supporting the bias of this whole move. Okay, so but as you can see, this trend line is still very far. The market, for it to touch this trend line, is going to probably take maybe years for that to happen. Okay, so what we do is we go to the daily in order for us to see what is going on right there, to see if we can spot a tradable opportunity. Now on the daily, we are clearly see that there's a key level that has already developed in the market that is currently affecting this market right now. Okay, there's a key levels that is currently affecting the market, guys. Okay, so guys, as you can see right here, the market moved from this key level to this key level. This is daily key level, guys, and to another key level, right? This key level pushed it up to this daily key level, and there was some kind of manipulation right here. The market came back, tested key level, and then dropped, and it's now dropping again to come to this daily key level right there. So guys, as you can see, but there's something else I'm observing right here. I don't know if you guys pay attention to it. There's what we call a head and shoulder pattern that is already forming. Okay, this is a head here, and we now have one shoulder here, and this is looking at another shoulder. But this is not yet valid. This is just a consolidation. It's not yet a valid head and shoulder. You know, for a head and shoulder to be valid, the neckline needs to be broken, right? And from this chart, we can see right now that this is the neckline. This is the neckline. This key level right here is serving as a key level and also a neckline to this new formation of head and shoulder pattern. And if this head and shoulder pattern eventually close below this level, it must close with at least a daily or a 4-hour candle below this daily candle. So guys, as a swing trader, guys, you need to pay attention to the major moves. Okay, right now that you are seeing something that is looking like a bullish a bearish head and shoulder pattern. Now this head and shoulder pattern, you are seeing it on the daily, is in line with the overall monthly time frame, which is giving off a shooting star. A shooting star means that the market is about to turn around, just like you see right here. Okay, as you can see right here, this is a shooting star that appear on the daily. So guys, you need to understand that anytime you see shooting star appear on the higher time frame, the likelihood of it holding strong is very high. At most of the time, it doesn't disappoint. Okay, whatever this candlestick patterns plays out on the higher time frame, like daily, weekly, or monthly, you need to take them very seriously. Okay, now this same shooting star we see on the daily, we saw it on the monthly, forming on the monthly. So what it means, therefore, just as this shooting star, the next day it was red candle, so on the monthly we should be expecting a red candle for the next month, right? So guys, how do you now tap into this understanding that the market is going to be bearish? Now you come to the daily. You cannot take a trade from the daily, guys. You know that, right? Because this is the daily, right? The market still have you can't actually take trade from the daily. So now what do? You go to the 4 hours to look for tradable opportunity. Okay, so right now we understand where the market is about to go, which is down. The market is about to fall massively. Okay, but we need to be careful if the buy pressure has been exhausted, because remember, the market is buying for a very long time. Okay, this is where you bring in your CTL. Okay, now as long as this market is behind this CTL, this counter trend line, it means that the market is going to continue selling, right? So what you need to do as a trader is to allow this market to do this right here. Okay, let it probably touch this trend line and then drop. Okay, drop and probably do something like this. Okay, now this is the kind of move I expect to see from BTC, right? This is the kind of move I'm expecting to see from BTC. Let me short this. Okay, now this is the kind of move I'm expecting to see from BTC. And remember, the bias I'm telling you right now, for it to actually sell, right, the neckline need to be broken for this to be a valid head and shoulder. Okay, so once this neckline is broken, it will be very clear to Tom, Dick, and Harry that this market is officially a bear market. And what will happen is that once the neckline is broken, there is a price action that states that for whatever consolidation that takes place in the market, once there's a breakout, the market will cover the same distance. Okay, so for this consolidation that happened right here, now let's measure where the breakout will end if the breakout eventually happened to the downside. Okay, now look at, now we are building our case. Now this is how a swing trader trade. You have to build your case. Okay, build it gradually to arrive at the definite conclusion. Okay, now we are measuring the distance of this consolidation, and we're trying to see if this breakout happen, how long it's going to take. Okay, as you can see very clearly, right, if this breakout eventually play out, let me measure this properly. This is the tip of the breakout and the ending is somewhere around here. Okay, we need to be very, very accurate. Now if this breakout occur, as you can see, it is going back to the monthly key level, right? Very clearly, if this breakout eventually happen, it's going to go straight to the monthly key level. But you don't just trade blindly. You need to understand that there's other build-up resistance that are actually playing out in this market. We have two build-up resistance right here. We have this resistance, also have this resistance. So whenever you are taking trade from here to here, you should have a strategy to take out some certain things by the time you get to this resistance, because the market can actually come to this resistance and gain enough buy momentum and shoot to the upside. That can happen. Okay, so once you get to this resistance, you want to make sure that your positions are locked in profit and they want to take partial profit while you expect the market to continue going down. Now this is what you can do with BTC. So guys, I'm expecting a bearish market on this BTC now, but the moment this counter trend line is taken out, then this setup is invalid, because whenever you're doing analysis, you need to understand what is going to happen for the market for the setup to be invalid. If this counter trend line is taken out, the setup is invalid. It therefore means that this head and shoulder does not exist, because the neckline has not been broken. Because for this head and shoulder to actually exist, the neckline needs to be officially taken out. Okay, so guys, right now I believe that what I'm showing you guys in this video, the way I've analyzed this market is very clear for anybody to understand. I believe that I've gotten value for what I'm showing you guys in today's video. So guys, the question I'm going to be asking you guys is, what strategy do you guys feel is the best for a trader? Which strategy do you think is going to make you more money? Swing trader, right? Day trading, or scalping? So I want you guys to go ahead and comment in the comment section. I want to have an idea what strategy you feel is the best strategy for traders. Comment that in the comment section, and please do not forget to like our videos. Also try to share it so that this good information will get to a lot of people out there that is going to need it. Okay, so guys, we're going to be seeing you guys on the next one. Bye for now, and do take care of yourself.